Saka-Saka. Congolese dish made from cassava leaves. A side dish from Congo. You will need
Serves
11
2.
ingredients. Step 1. Thoroughly crush, mash, or grind the greens in a mortar and pestle or with whatever you can improvise. Step 2. Bring a large pot of water to a boil, add greens and cook for 30 minutes or more. Step 3. Add all the remaining ingredients to the greens and bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer. Do not stir. Simmer until the water is mostly gone and the greens are cooked to a pulp. Step 4. Serve as a side with a chicken, meat, or fish main course, with bâton de manioc or fufu. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.